Howdy, y'all. Excuse Raj's butt. She just likes showing herself off to the internet. Raja, the internet doesn't want to see your butt. No, don't knock that over. Yes, thank you for helping with today's episode. So, today, if Raja will let us, we're going to do some drinking. She may not let us. It may be the Raja show today. No bites. Get your butt out of the camera. It's so rude. It's so rude. Okay, honestly, we're going to try to open up. Raja is the neighbor's cat who's kind of adopted us and likes to appear on camera and show her butt. Don't rub on the internet either. Sorry about that. Hold on. Okay, let's try again, Raja. No more rubbing on the internet. Yeah. Can I sit there? Thank you. Okay. Welcome back to the Raja Show. So today, we've got some Firestone, one of my very favorite brands. This is one of their good ones, hopefully. It's from their Barrel Works project. Just good stuff. This is barrel-aged Parabolita salted caramel bourbon barrel-aged stout with vanilla beans, cocoa nibs, and sea salt. 9.2% ABV, so it'll make me happy. Raja, hey. No. Raja, let me have a chat with the cat before she knocks you over again. You can't go knocking the internet down, okay? Here, you're in the episode. Are you happy? They've all seen your butt. Everyone's seen your butt. Yes, I love you too. Okay. We can't do the Raja show. No. We've already done the Raja. Okay. She's going to give us a short window of opportunity. And it's done. I love you too, baby. Okay, she's going to lay down now. I love Firestone Walker, especially their barrel-aged. Okay. She's really giving us a break. Smells like beer. La da da, nice chocolatey color. La da 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 da. Some foam, not super heavy, but really good effervescence. Look how pretty that is. Brown foamy head, deep brown chocolatey color. Smells malty. Maybe it's the cocoa nibs. Cocoa nibs, probably. Down the hatch. A little bit of caramel. Nicely done caramel. They put all their stuff. 40 IBUs. That's important to know. I tell you the color. The yeast is British ale. They produced 2,500 cases. OG, FG. I don't know what all that means. I'm a beer nerd, but not that big of a beer nerd. Anyway, the chocolate's coming through. Not really getting the barrel, maybe a little bit of tannin from the barrels and the finish. As it warms, that's where the barrel aging comes through, and I'm gonna nurse this baby because, like I said, once it gets closer to room temperature, the complexity comes out. The barrel. That's one of the great things about Firestone. It is complex and very smooth. Thick mouthfeel. Now that I'm getting into it a little more. Sits on the tongue. That's the caramel and chocolate and the other malts. Yeah, at the moment it's 3 3/4, maybe 4. With my initial sips, but once it warms up, I bet you I'm gonna discover that it goes up even higher. So definitely a thumbs up. Like I said, in the 3 3/4 to 4 range, 3.85 maybe, and I expect it to improve with some warming. So it's my first beer, and well, since celebrating my monetization of Griddle porn, and that was the first one in over a month. So yeah, can't handle my alcohol anymore. Anyway, that's it. Enough clowning for the camera. Enough Raja butt for the camera, wherever. Oh, she's behind me. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging in there, and see you next time. And for the benefit of those of you with flash photography, bye. Cheers.